Hey, what's up, y'all? A little bit different unboxing today. So, first, shout out to my guy at Stephen Green, PDX. I'm going to put his Twitter tag right here. You should follow him. Very, very smart person and a very important person to the community up in Portland. But he hit me up on Twitter and he tagged me in a post and was like, yo, Chris. And I don't even know if you guys can see me because I have this box standing up right here. But he was like, you need to check out this brand. The brand's been around since 2017, I think. And what I probably should do a lot of research before I jump into doing this, but it's a black-owned brand, which obviously at this point in time, and it's extremely important that I spend my money with brands that do important work. Now, it's not just that it's a black-owned brand. They also donate proceeds of everything they make, which is extremely difficult. And I don't know if you guys understand how hard that is. Your profit margins are really small when you start a clothing company or a footwear company. To donate a percentage of your income means basically you're reducing the amount of money that you make. I mean, that's just simple mathematics. But the company, and that's why I was holding this up, is Rockridge. The website is rockridgesf.com, which is at the bottom. Those of you who are Californians, I'm a San Diegan, I'm a Memphis, San Diegan. My wife's from Vallejo. She's from the Bay Area. And Rockridge, even though it says SF, when I think Rockridge, I think Oakland. But there is a BART line that goes out that way. So from SF from San Francisco. Anyway, Rockridge is the clothing company, and it's owned by Randy Wells. And Randy is making his clothing in the U.S. And I know you guys that have been following the website for a while, you know how I feel about that. I think it's extremely important that we make our products here because it diminishes the carbon footprint. Now, when it's shipped, it came in a big brown box. And as you see, I've got this box right here. And it's got a slide-out tray. The interesting thing is I'm getting ready to redo the closet because I have to get rid of a lot of clothes. I lost a lot of weight. Yay, quarantine for that reason. Boo, quarantine for COVID and people that are losing loved ones. But I lost a lot of weight. And I'm continuing to work out more, and I'm working out with my daughter. And I have to start replacing items in my wardrobe. And I was going to go to, I bought a lot of stuff from Outerknown and from Taylor Stitch, and you see me sliding this out. I'm going to do a close-up of this. I'm also going to put this on. I haven't taken this out of the box. The packaging is impressive, man. It's a beautiful box. As I start to store my shirts, I'm probably going to store them in a shelf that's about this wide, and they'll go down in, slots. We're not dressing up a lot right now because of COVID, but this Rockridge shirt, Stephen was like, hey, Chris, you got to check out this brand. It's black owned. And I was like, yeah, Stephen, I'm going to go check it out. I went to go to the website, and when I got to the website, the shirt that I wanted was gone. But I saw this shirt and I was like, well, you know what? It's about to get cold in Memphis. I hope we can start going out again. And I needed a new tartan. So black tartan is the style. So I'm taking this out and you see, I have not opened it up. I don't even know if it's fit, if it's going to fit. But I'm going to take this out and unbox it. And I'm tearing it for the first time, so now, and I'm videotaping it, which means he officially knows that I'm taking this out. And it is a pretty plaid. Black tartan is the name of the shirt and the style. Clothing for those who drive the world forward. Designed in Oakland. All right, SF on the box. And it says Oakland. Like I said, when I think Rockridge, I think Oakland. Rockridge, never settle. You guys, I don't really wear button downs, but I'll probably just take these and undo the buttons right there, because that's just what I do. I love this, man. I'm going to have to wear a t-shirt with it, though, for certain, because that's a heavy, heavy tag that's on here. Oh, this is interesting. This pop of orange. I think this is like standard for his design. So he's worked at companies like, I think he's worked at like Ralph Lauren and a few other places. I need to do some more research, but Rockridge SF. So I bought the shirt. The shirt cost, I think, you know what? I got my phone here. So let me go over here and do this real quick before I put this shirt on. Go to the shop and scroll down, and black swatch tartan Oxford button down. The shirt was $160, so it's fair price, man, for made in the USA quality. I got an extra large. I love this piping that's built into the collar that's going around here with Rockridge on it. But you know what? Let me move this up close, get out of the frame, and then I'm going to put the shirt on and see what it looks like. One second. All right, so I got the shirt here, and I'm going to make sure that I move this up so you can see the inside of this collar. Made in America. Black owned, made in America. And you know what? And one of the things I really like to stress is just because something's black owned doesn't mean white folks can't buy it. Go buy the shirt, white folks. You know, y'all be out here thinking that when we say black owned, man, it's anti-white. That ain't the way it is, yo. We can't survive simply off of the dollars of black people. You need the support of all people, man. And that doesn't mean I'm saying all lives matter either, so don't trip. All right, let's get this thing unbuttoned. I wanted to make sure we looked on the inside of it. I did get an XL. I don't know what the sizing is on the inside of the shirt.
So I got my shirt. I think I'm going to get ready to try it on. So let's do the TikTok, Instagram thing and see what it looks like. Right now, I got on my white shirt. This is actually a Nordstrom shirt. I need to take it off anyway. Here we go. All right, so I was able to get the shirt on. It is an XL, but it's a slim cut shirt. As you can see, it's slim cut. I'm going to stand at each angle so you guys can check it out and see what it looks like, just to make sure you get a good look at the shirt. But it's an XL. Could have used a little bit of room in it. Not really. I'm 6'2", 245 pounds. So I'm not a typical XL. Most XL, you're going to be about 220. So you would have a little bit more room in here than I do. So it doesn't look bad. I mean, when you consider 6'2", 245, man, it's a nice looking shirt. I didn't even explain that the buttons, mother of pearl, right? I didn't explain that in the close-up, but this is the Rockridge shirt, black-owned company. Man, I don't even, this is not an ad, you guys, so I pay for this. Everything that you see me, you know, with on the site, I pay for it before I say anything about it. This is going to get a lot of wear. I wear a lot of different shades of plaid. I like plaid. But, I mean, we won't be going out soon, but it's definitely going to be a date night shirt. That's it. Do I need to do like a full body shot of this? I don't think so. That's it. Rockridge. RockridgeSF.com. It's an unboxing for the black tartan. Kind of fresh, man. At this point now, I want to do my kneel down pose. That's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Check out Rockridge SF. Birdman, hand rub. Peace.